Hello, today we're in Hull.
And we're looking for the rat sculptures that have been dotted around the city centre.
This year, 45 giant mischievous rat sculptures have been set free across Hull and East Yorkshire.
The sculptures are on display between May to the end of August 2025.
Twelve of the rats are located in Hull city centre, and we set off to track them down.
The trail was created to pay tribute to local rock musician Mick Ronson, who was from Hull and a member of the 1960s Hull-based band The Rats, before becoming David Bowie's guitarist in the Spiders from Mars.
The project will help raise funds for the Daisy Appeal charity, which supports Cottingham's Castle Hill Hospital, with the sculptures being auctioned in September.
The charity hopes to raise up to £250,000 for research into cancer in the memory of Ronson, who died of the disease in 1993, aged just 46.
Standing almost 6 feet tall, each rat has been painted by different artists.
Glam rat eluded us on the day, but we managed to see 11 of the 12 from the city centre.
The remainder of the rats are further afield across the region and will be for us to track down on another day.
Well, that was great fun. We're ending it at the docks.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.